So back and forth. And this is just our sky. Okay. And I am about complete. And make sure you cover up any white spaces that you see on your canvas. Take your time, guys. All right. There's mine.
I'm not done, Papa.
No rush, Lily. When you're finished, because don't worry. So when you're finished doing your sky, I want you to put yourself on mute, and I want you to turn on your blow dryer, and I want you to blow dry your painting. Here's my blow dryer, because we're going to be drawing too. Good job, Melody.
Painting more to white.
Huh? Yes, and then after we draw, we're gonna paint some more, Lily. Yep. So, huh? Good job, Melody. Good job, Melody. And Melody, remember, back and forth, back and forth. Good job, Soraya. Hold it up. Let me see what you have so far. Okay, I don't think you need any more blue paint on that. Spread it out. And then Delicia, how are you doing? Can you hold it up so I can see? Good job, Melody. Melody, hold it up so I can see what you have. Beautiful. Very nice, Melody. I think you're almost done. I don't think you need any more paint on that. I think you can start to blow dry. You got paint on your hand? Go ahead, Melody. Get something to wipe it off. You're a true artist now. That's what that means.
Paint on my hand stuff too.
Well, that means you're an artist too. Okay, guys. From what I see, Melody is ready to blow dry. Delicia